Blacktop 4x4, welcome back to another one. We're on the move and it's really early in the morning. Grabbing some breakfast and then heading over to GTA Jeeps and Trucks to get this truck lit up. I am super excited. So yeah, I'm taking you guys along with me for this adventure. Let's go. Gosh, I love this truck. I honestly love this truck. Guys, take a look at this. Beautiful. So like, this is your one-stop shop now for all your rims, tires, whatever you need for your Jeep and truck. Off-road, all off-road. So beautiful selection. Like, this is overwhelming.
Hey guys, Alex from GTA Jeeps here. So today we're going to be doing a 12-piece rock light set, RBG, so that'd be controlled with your phone via an app. And we'll have 6 per side, and 2 each wheel well, and 1 underneath each door. And then this is what we got for the product.
Is there a drop packet? That's what I mean.
Alright, got it hooked up to my app and I'm going to show you how it works. There's a power button. There we go. Look at that. So literally you got the whole spectrum over here. So there's a couple of colors that you could just choose right off the palette here. Very responsive, very quick. And then you can actually turn the wheel around to any custom color. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. All right, here we are, day 2, and I'm in a winter jacket. Weather has been a bit nuts, and the reason it's day 2 is because we weren't able to get everything completed on the initial day we started this video. So we just need some extension cords to put for the back rock lights that are under the rear fender wells. We're gonna get that done today, and then we are gonna head out at night to show you what this product looks like, what these rock lights look like, what this truck has transformed into. So yeah, let's head in, let's get the rest of this truck completed, and let's see how things go. Alright, so we are done. I'm gonna have a link below this video where you can find this set. Now this one is by NVE. This is the 12 set RGB rock lights, and I can't wait to take this truck out at night and just show you all the colors, but it turned out beautiful, and thank you so much.
No problem.
Now for people that are in the Greater Toronto area,
So for any of your Jeep and truck needs, you can find us today at Research Road in Brampton, Ontario. We have a website as well you could check out. And you could give us a call or text, set up your next appointment.
perfect. So any truck and any Jeep, hit them up. They're awesome. I love it. I honestly love it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
We'll see you guys in just a bit. The excitement is real. I'm pumped. I'm super excited to get this truck lit up. Let's do it now. Just gonna get the app here going. The moments of truth. All right, so that's the red right over there, and there's a lot of colors, so this is what I've been kind of rocking. I really like that. So the whole RGB, I'm gonna actually go through all the colors with you guys right now, and just kind of show you what that looks like, and then we'll do some nice close-ups. All right, so I'm just the stance, just the stance. So that's the red, green, blue. Wow, okay, so that's yellow, but it kind of has like yellow and green with maybe a hint of red in there. The pink has this pink and purple. I know my daughters love this a lot, but yeah, I don't think I would rock that. And then there are styles. Pretty sick. So that's called the pulsing rainbow, right over there. There's pulsing red, That's the pulsing green, pulsing blue, pulsing yellow, cyan, purple. And now we got multicolored. Look at that. Yeah, that's a flag to call the police over, right? But yeah, man, this is wow, look at that. Look at that. You can also change the speed of this as well. Red strobes. So yeah, I'm on like full speed right over there, but you can obviously change the speed. But yeah, I love it. This is sick. So we're gonna choose some like real badass colors, and we'll show you some nice close-ups of this. But I'm truly happy. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'll remind you that there's a subscribe button that is going to pop up at the bottom of the screen over there. You know where the wheel button is. Please smash it, tap it, click on it, whatever you can to show your support. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.